Hello everyone, welcome to my video maker channel in YouTube. I'm Chen in Hong Kong, China. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this very nice, super easy ring. It's used while. Now I'm show you what's the basic tool we will going to make. So this is in my hand. We have two partner. This is Chen, no pile, and this is a flash cutter. And we also need the manual of the ring. So for example, I want to measure what's the size for my finger. This is 7. This number is for Hong Kong. If you are in United States, you use your United Standard measurement. But now I only have Hong Kong Standard. So this is 16 is too tight. I try for 18. Oh, it fit. So you need this, but it's not necessary. And also we need this mandrel for the ring. Also Hong Kong standard. If you are in United States, you should have a United Standard mandrel. And we need 0.8 millimeter the wire. This is a golden wire. Now let's go. I will show you how to make it. So let me show you. First we take the wire. I will take around 30 cm. So we chose a beam. This one is a J. So we go through the hole. And bend it gently. We need a mandrel. So before I have mentioned my size is 18. Now I want to make it bigger. So this come here, and this come here. Make it tidy, make it tight. So the wire is fit to the mandrel. And then we twist the wire. Okay. So we wrap around. I want to wrap 1.5 round. Okay. Make straight. So run to this part, this tail going down, then this part going down this size. So making 1 round, 2 round, and 3 round. This is the same. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Make it tiny so that it's more stable to hold the bead. Now we're going to cut the tail. And we make it more smooth so that it's not harm our finger. Use a channel spider. Okay. We cut the tail here. Use the channel spider. Make it thick. So we use the mandrel again. As we said before, I'm 18. So it's thick. Another size. opposite 18. So it's perfect. So how nice. Very nice. So after a few minutes, we already finished the ring. It's super easy. So it's how nice. So that's all of today. I would like to see you next time. Bye bye.